هذا we will learn how to check Snapchat birthdays, and all you have to do is to launch the Snapchat application. When you tap on our charts, and in the case someone does have a birthday, you're going to be able to see them here because you're going to see a balloon icon that will just be near their profile. From there, you can just decide to tap on your profile, and then you're going to scroll down until you see my friends. And from there, in the case that any of them does have a birthday, you're going to see them here. In the case that you do want to check if your friends does have a birthday, and then you can say, I don't have any at the moment. We can also try begging back, but you can just decide to choose any profile that is here. They're arranged up on the profile here at the top. And from here, in the case that we would like to see their birthday, we can see them here. And as you can see, for this one, they are born on the February 18, and we can know that because of this balloon icon. We then decide to choose another person or another profile like this one. Then can decide to tap on their profile. As you can see, their birthday is on August. We then even tap on the zodiac sign and view astrological compatibility. And this is where you can see if you are actually compatible with friends. You can tap on the birthdays, and we can see upcoming birthdays. And as you can see, there are only two, one which is in 5 days and the other one which is in 8 days. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. You can even check on the zodiac signs and see people who have the Aries as their sign or Taurus as their sign. And I'll see you guys on the next video.